module. Second thing, we have seen that developer will not accept these duplicate bugs because it's a bad name for him, or the bug count will be increasing. Third thing, we have seen generally the reason for duplicate bugs are the common modules and the dependent modules. But again, out of these two, most of the time it is common module, because generally dependent modules are given to one particular test engineer. And next point, I said, whenever developer says the bug is duplicate, blindly don't believe them. First, we need to see really the bug report is same or not. When I say really bug report is same or not, we have to concentrate on the navigation step and the observation. If the navigation steps and observation are same, then only we can accept it as a duplicate. So these are the some of the points, 3-4 points we have seen in the morning session. Correct? So all these 4-5 points was clear. Now let's move forward. Duplicate name, is it a duplicate status? Duplicate status, is it a bad name for developers or not? Sorry, for the test engineer. Yes, I'm continuing morning topic only. Is it a bad name or it's not a bad name? Correct? Obviously, duplicate is a bad name for the test engineer. Otherwise, guys, people, what they will do, you know, unwantedly they will be reporting such kind of bugs. And you imagine, once I send a bug to the developer, first he will go through the bug report. Then he is deciding, oh, it's not my module. He is reassigning to the other developer. Again, other developer is going through. He is thinking for some time, is this bug already reported or not reported? Then again, he's sending back to you. Lot of time is wasted here. Yes or no? Lot of every testing time is also wasted, as well as the developer time is also wasted. So remember, duplicate is also a bad name for the test engineer. Invalid is also a bad name. Can't fix, is it a bad name for the test engineer? Can't fix, is it a bad name for the test engineer? No, I can't do anything. Deferred, is it a bad name for the test engineer? Deferred, is it a bad name? Obviously no, boss, I can't do anything. But invalid is a bad name, as well as your duplicate is also a bad name. So now they're asking, boss, tell me how to avoid this invalid bugs. Obviously, because since it's a bad name for test engineers, there should be some strategy, or there should be some plan to avoid this invalid bugs. Okay, some strategy should be there. So now the 4th point or the 5th point, right? 5th point, I think it's a 5th point. Yeah. So how to avoid this duplicate bug? Okay. How to avoid this duplicate bug? Listen. Generally, what happens is, generally, see, all the bugs, whatever everyone is finding, I am finding some 10 bugs, you are finding some 10 bugs, the third testing is finding some 5 bugs or 6 bugs. Whatever bugs generally we find in the company, we store all those bugs in one common folder. That common folder is called as bug repository. So generally, repository means it's a storage place, remember. Okay, so generally when I say repository, the English meaning of a repository is nothing but the storage. Okay, when I say bug repository, means we are storing all our bug reports in this place, and every test engineer will store the bug report. Suppose there are some 10 test engineers who are working, and totally we have found some 300 bugs. All 300 bugs will be stored here only. All the 300 bugs will be stored in this bug repository. So bug repository is nothing but a folder where all the bug reports are stored. That is clear? A folder where all the bug reports are stored. Okay, next. And we have already discussed that for every bug we prepare a separate bug report. For every bug we prepare a separate bug report. Sai Himaja, what is the meaning of that question? All test engineer bugs are single test engineer. I didn't understand that in English sentence, also didn't understand. All test engineer bugs are single test engineer. Means what? What is the meaning of it? Okay. Listen, guys. Now, all test engineer bugs are stored in a like, that is what I'm saying. Well, just now I said, even if there are 10 test engineers, 300 bugs are found. There are 10 test engineers and 300 bugs are found. All 300 bugs will be saved in one folder only. We don't have a multiple folders here. Every bug is stored in one place itself. Okay, guys. So now what they say, you take this example only, okay? Take this example. Bug number 14. They say, as soon as you find a bug, first to do one thing, go and search if the same bug is there in the bug repository or not. So to avoid a duplicate bug, the step number one is, immediately once you get a bug, go and search if the same bug is already present or not present. But my question is, will you search in the bug repository after preparing a bug report or before preparing a bug report? When should we search in the bug repository? After or before? Correct? Obviously before only. Because after preparing bug report, if there is a problem, if same bug is there, then we have to delete it. That's all. Yes or no? Suppose I got a bug, I prepared a bug report. 15 minutes, 20 minutes it will take to prepare a bug report. After preparing, if I go and search if it is there, I have to delete my report. So they say search in the bug repository means by default before preparing a bug report. First point is clear? First point is clear? Yes? Okay. Now assume, guys, please take the same diagram, whatever we spoke in the morning. Just now I found a bug in the compose. That subject is not working. Just now I saw a bug. Should I prepare a bug report or should I not prepare? Should I prepare? I should not prepare. Just now I found this bug. Bug report I should prepare. I should not prepare. No. Okay, done. So I'm not preparing the bug report. I'm not preparing the bug report. So first I will go to the bug repository. Assume that this fellow found a bug. So immediately once he finds a bug, what he does, immediately he will go and he will start searching in the bug repository. See, what is the meaning of searching? Can you tell me? Go and search in the bug repository means what? What is the meaning of it? We should check first. That I got it, but complete meaning can you give me? When I say go and search in the bug repository, what is the complete meaning of it? Okay, it means first open the bug number 1. Listen carefully. First open the bug number 1. Read all the navigation steps and the observation. Read all the navigation steps and observation. See if it is same or it's not same. Okay, it is not same. Next, open bug report number 2. Again read the navigation steps and the observation. That is also not same. Again open, same or not same. Again open, same. That means open each and every bug report. Open each and every bug report and read all the navigation steps and the observation. Yes or no? When I say search in the bug repository, that means open. See, forget about it takes time or not. That is a process. Simple concept it is. You have to open, you have to read it. You have to open, you have to read it. You have to open, you have to read it. And mainly, we should see the navigation steps and the observation. During the searching process, guys, So that's the reason I've taken in bug repository right now only 13 bugs are there. Have you seen the diagram? In this bug repository, right now, I have taken only the 13 bugs. Okay. So 14th bug is not yet reported by me. Only 13 bugs I have found. Next, when I am searching, two things can happen. First scenario, if the same bug exists, what is the meaning of same bug exists? How do you know this bug is same bug? At least give me that answer. Same bug exists means, how do you know that bug is same bug? First, listen to the question. How do you know that my bug is same bug? Module is same is a wrong answer. Neatly I want the good. Navigation steps and observation is same. That is the main answer. You cannot say module is same. Whatever navigation steps you have written, whatever the observation he has written, that is exactly same, that compose subject is not working. Same bug is already there. And assume that that same bug is specified in bug number 9, guys. According to this diagram, morning we have already seen. Same report is already there in bug number 9. If the same bug is there, we should report or we should not report. We should not report. If you report, it will become what? If you already bug is there, if you report the same thing, it will become duplicate bug. Good guys. It will become a duplicate bug. So I have written here, observe, if the same bug exists, do not log a bug. Listen carefully. Log is nothing but reporting. Technical language, we don't call it as a report a bug, we call it as a log a bug. So whatever you are preparing a bug report, right, that preparation of the bug report is called as a log in the bug. That is what I'm teaching. Sunil, first listen. That is what I'm teaching. Is it clear, guys? Are you understanding the meaning of a log? Log means what? Log means that's all. Reporting, the other word which we have to use is nothing but a log. So from today, let's not say log, let's call it a report. Sorry, not report. Call it as a logging a bug. Okay. Do not log a bug. Second scenario, if the bug does not exist, obviously, possible, not possible. Whatever I got a bug, right? Compose subject was not working. I have studied all 13 bugs, but there is no similar bug or there is no same bug. If the bug does not exist, then listen, log a bug. That means prepare a bug report, comma, store it in the repository. Which repository? Prepare a bug and store it in the repository. Means which repository? Bug repository. Why should you store in the bug repository? Why should you store in the bug repository? Tell me. What? Good boy. See, guys, come in. Because guys, see, after you find a bug, someone else may be also searching the bug in the bug repository. Possibly, not possible? Possible, not possible? Correct? So that's the reason they say, once you feel that bug is proper bug or it's not a duplicate, immediately you have to store it in the bug repository so that others also it will be helpful. After storing in the bug report, you observe, send it to the developer. Means assign the bug. That is what I'm saying. Send it to the developer or assign the bug, and most importantly, CC to the all test engineers. Means keep a carbon copy to the all test engineer. Why should you mail all the test engineers also? When you're sending it to the developer, keep a copy to all the test engineer. Why should we keep a copy to all the test engineers? Boss, they will also know that this bug is reported. Simple concept that is. Correct. To avoid future duplicate bug. That is also correct answer. See, when you send a mail to me, I will get a notification. I will just see that mail. Oh, okay. Subject is not working in the compose. Okay. It will sit in my mind. Yes or no? It will sit in my mind. And suppose today evening when I was testing, I got the same bug. I got the same bug. Will you search in the repository, guys? Morning, someone sent me mail. I remember. Evening when I was testing, I got a mail. I got a mess. Sorry, I got a bug in the compose only. Will I go and search? No. I remember morning someone has reported. Leave this bug. That's why they say send it to the developer and CC all the test engineer. If you follow this complete process, guys, at least we can try to avoid the duplicate bugs. Okay, so they say whenever you get a bug, don't directly prepare a bug report. Don't directly prepare a bug report. First, you search in the bug repository, see if the same bug is there or not. If the same bug is there, don't report or don't log. If the same bug is not there, then prepare a report or log a bug, store it in the bug repository for other people also, and send it to the developer and keep a copy for all the test engineers. If we follow these 4 or 5 steps, we can avoid the duplicate bugs. Yes, right now, for every bug, you have to do this. Remember, whenever we find a bug, this is the process. Have you understood how to avoid it? Have you understood? Write it now. Write that 5th step. How to avoid duplicate bug, to write it. The loop or carbon copy or CC. What is the advantage of it? At least they will come to know that, okay, boss, this bug is already reported. So I'm saying whenever you are mailing to the developer, keep a carbon copy to all the test engineers, just for communication. That's all. Correct. It will go to every test engineer. Every test engineer will also come to know that, okay, fine, bug is already reported. For that, I said keep it. Sir, bug repository has access to all the test engineers and lead. Everyone can access the bug report, Surya. Bug repository, everyone can access. Suppose 5 test engineers are there, all 5 test engineers can access this folder. They can see my bug also. They can see your bug also. They can see their own bug also. So entire development team, testing team will have the access to the bug repository. Everyone can access it. Shilpa, answer is yes. Deepu, sir, if the test engineer delete it, but they can't delete it because we can give permissions. We can give read permissions, write permission, delete permission. So many permissions can be given. Yes, Atiti, answer is yes. Remember that point also. First, we don't prepare a bug report and then go and search. Once we get a bug, first I will search, and then if really required, I'm going to prepare that bug report. Remember that. Ganesh, yes, sir. Okay, copied, guys. Copied all these points. How to avoid duplicate bug? Is it copied? Now listen to the cross question. As soon as you say how to avoid the duplicate bug, you will still all these steps, obviously. So as soon as the bug is found, sir, we'll search in the bug repository. Then same bug is there, don't report. If it is not there, then we have to report it. All these steps you will say. Now, as soon as you tell this, they'll ask you, suppose there are some 300, 400, 500 bugs in the bug repository. Then obviously every bug you have to open and read, yes or no? Suppose there are 300 bugs. Obviously, we have to open each and every bug and we have to study if the navigation steps and observation is same or if it is different. Obviously, that means whatever this process you are saying, how to avoid a duplicate bug, you are telling me one process. Whatever this process you are talking about, this will be a huge time consuming. Lot of solutions are there, guys. Right now, I'm telling only one by one solution. Okay, this is a huge time consuming process. Yes or no? So, the interviewer asking, this is a time consuming process. Okay, and because you are opening each and every bug and studying. So avoiding duplicate bug is a time consuming process. Now listen to the solution, guys. So use common sense and then give me the answer. Okay, suppose login, can the duplicate bugs happen in login? Means anyhow test engineer 1 is testing login module, 2 and 3, can they also sometimes touch the login module? 2 and 3 for some reason, can they also touch? Yes, everyone is saying yes. That means chances are there that in the login duplicate bugs may occur in the login module. Okay, next, will everyone access the home module also? Will everyone access the home module? Obviously, after logging in, you will come to home page only, correct? After logging in, 100% you will come to home page. So chances are there that everyone will touch the home page also. So in home page also chances of bugs are there. Next, will test engineer 2 and test engineer 3 touch help module? Will test engineer 2 and test engineer 3 touch the help module? Answer is no. Boss, to use compose, to use inbox, to use sent item, to use draft, or to use chat, already I have the requirement document. To use this module, I don't have to touch the help module. Are you understanding? To use all these modules, I don't have to touch the this one. What? Help module. Correct? Not required. Next. Do you think the test engineer 2, test engineer 3 will go and touch all the settings? Correct. Settings is also not required for 2 and 3. Will the test engineer 2 and test engineer 3 touch logout? Will test engineer 2 and test engineer 3 touch logout? Yes. Yes. That means observe, guys. That means observe. Out of these 5 modules, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, duplicate bugs are possible in which modules? Out of these 5 modules, duplicate bugs are possible in login module, home module, and logout module. Correct? Because they are common modules. So that means if anyone finds a bug in help module, if anyone finds a bug in help modules or setting module, do I need to search for duplicacy or not required? Understand the English meaning and then talk. If I find a bug in help or setting, is it required or not required to search? Correct, not required, because help and setting is completely independent. It will be touched only by test engineer number 1. So why should we waste time unnecessarily searching for bug repository? Okay. So is it clear till now? Is it clear till now? That means out of these 5 modules, duplicacy will be searched only for 3 modules. So at least some time is saved or time is not saved. At least some time is saved or not saved. It is saved. Okay. Now listen. Second. Come to test engineer 2. Come to test engineer 2. Now tell me, test engineer 1 and test engineer 3, will they touch compose for any reason? Everyone is assigned with their modules. Remember that point. 1 and 3, will they touch compose? You are only saying no. Compose will be touched only by test engineer number 2. Correct? Next. Will test engineer 1 or test engineer 3, will they touch inbox? Think and talk. Will they touch inbox? Who will touch? Who will touch? Test engineer 3 may touch inbox also. Okay, that means chances are there that here also duplicate bugs may happen. Duplicate may happen. Sent item and draft. Will 1 and 3 touch the sent item and draft? 1 and 3, will they touch? They will not touch. Correct? Obviously no. That means sent items also duplicate bugs cannot happen. Draft also duplicate bug cannot happen. Okay, sent item also duplicate bug cannot happen, as well as draft also duplicate bug cannot happen. Okay, now tell me, what is the summary here? Compose, inbox, sent item, draft. What is the summary? What is the summary here? Okay, only in inbox duplicate bugs can happen. So if you find a bug in compose or sent item or draft, don't waste time in. Don't waste time in. If you find a bug in compose or sent item or draft, don't waste time in searching for duplicate bugs. Perfect. Don't waste time in searching for duplicate bugs. Now come to chat. Chat, can duplicate bugs happen? Obviously, chat is tested by testing number 3. Chat is tested by testing number 3. Duplicate can happen? No. Okay. Obviously, in chat also duplicate bugs are not possible. So, guys, overall summary, listen carefully now. When we tell these steps in the interviewer will say that this is a time consuming, because every bug report we have to open and we have to search. So solution for this time consuming is what you know. Solution is, you want to give me solution. What is solution for this? Correct. Solution is, okay, we don't search for duplicate for every bug. Okay, check for duplicacy. Check for duplicacy. only if bug is in common or dependent modules. If you do this, at least a little bit of time can be saved. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? So don't search for every bug. Only when you feel that that is a dependent module. Only if you feel that it is a common module, then only search for duplicate. Otherwise, directly you can go and report the bug. Dana. This is, write this as just a note. Write this as only a note. So whatever I told you, right? This whole process till now, whatever I told, this is note. You write in your own language this one. Tell me, Sagar. No, right now, bug repository is nothing but one folder. That's all. One simple folder where all the bug reports are stored. That is the meaning of your bug repository. Stop it, guys. But in first bug is forgotten by test engineer. Again, he found the same bug. Then he avoided checking in the repository. No, sir. Means what? First case, in the first case, bug is forgotten. But test engineer, again, he found the same bug. Then he avoided checking in bug repository. Not sure, like, what you're asking, Vinay Raj. This note you have written, everyone has written the note. So listen the expected questions. Anyhow, those 4 points I'll give you. Question number 1, they can ask what is duplicate bug. Second, they can ask what are the reasons for duplicate bug. What are the reasons for duplicate bug? Third one, whenever developer says duplicate, what should we do? Whenever developer says duplicate, what should test engineer do? And then they'll ask you, how can you avoid the duplicate bugs? And how to solve the problem of time consuming. Till now, these 5 points, this is what you can expect from this diagram. All those 5 points are clear. Right. Point number 1. Point number 1. Point number 1. Duplicate bug. These are the same bugs. Duplicate bugs are the same bugs. Duplicate bugs are the same bugs. Duplicate bugs are the same bugs found by different test engineers. Duplicate bugs are the same bugs, same bugs found by different test engineers. These are the same bugs found by different test engineers. Second point. Generally, the duplicate bug happens on a same bugs means obviously on the same module. Like when I say bugs are different test finding bugs, same bugs means what? Obviously same module, same component, scenario is also same only. Hare Krishna. Next, second point. Generally, duplicate bugs happens. Generally, duplicate bugs happens because of. Generally, duplicate bugs happens because of. Generally, duplicate bugs happens because of the common modules or the dependent modules. Because of the common modules or the dependent modules. Because of the common modules or the dependent modules. Second point done. Next, third point. Whenever the developer says bug is duplicate, whenever the developer says the bug is duplicate, whenever the developer says the bug is duplicate, whenever the developer says the bug is duplicate, as a test engineer, we go through navigation steps and observation. As a test engineer, we go through the navigation steps and the observation of both the bug reports. We go through the navigation steps and observation of both the bug reports. We go through the navigation steps and observation of both the bug report. Navigation steps and observation of both the bug report.
Charges ₹39 for 30 days.
We go through the navigation steps and observation of both the bug reports. Continue, guys. Navigation steps and observation of both the bug reports. If both are same, and if both are same, then close the bug. If both are same, then close the bug. See, when I'm saying close the bug, which bug you are closing, guys? When I say close the bug, which bug you are closing? Correct. All the answers are correct. The second bug which we found, obviously we have to close it. So if the navigation steps and observation same, then close it. Else, if the navigation steps and observations are different, if the navigation step and the observations are different, if the navigation steps and the observations are different, then navigation steps and observations are different, then reopen and send it back to the developer. Then reopen and send it back to the developers. Then reopen and send it back to the developers. Then reopen and send it back to the developers. Okay, and fourth point, how to avoid duplicate bugs, you have already written. Yes or no? How to avoid duplicate bugs, I don't have to tell, because you have already, it is here, and you have written also. How to avoid duplicate bugs, you have written. So these are the 4 points you have to speak whenever they ask about the duplicate bug. Have you understood all the 4 points? Have you understood all the 4 points? Yes? Okay. Now guys, okay. Okay, now guys, one last cross question is there. Now observe, one last cross question is there. This is a topic what I'm teaching. If you understand, you are right. If you feel no sir, not understood, you leave it. You leave it. Because as I said you, now whatever topic, one last point I'm teaching under this duplicate, that is very I can say 99% they will not ask, but mainly for experience it is very important. But it's a very simple concept. I'll tell you, very simple concept. Only thing is you have to concentrate from the beginning to understand it. Is it clear? Okay, I'll start teaching one point now. Under duplicate, I'll start teaching one point. So one point also, if you miss in between, I'll tell you, it's very tough for you to understand. Now, on what basis you are deciding that the bug is duplicate? The Yamini, already we have discussed that every bug we have to CC the test engineers. Each and every bug we have to send it to the developers and the test engineers. Everything you have to send it. So guys, tell me, on what basis you decide that your bug is duplicate? If the navigation steps and observations are same, perfect. If the navigation steps and observations are same, then we are going to change the status to duplicate. Now listen, now listen, now listen, now listen, now listen. Okay. Let's assume, guys. Let's assume. I found one bug. Same concept I'll take. Compose, in compose, the subject is not working. Okay, is not. Okay, not. Oh no. Composition not take. Let me take login only. I'll take, because I want to take a dependent this common module. Login. Forgot password link is not working. Forgot password link is not working. So chances of duplicate bugs are there or not there? Chances of duplicate bugs are there or not there? Correct? There. Because this is a common module. Now I went to bug repository, guys. I went to bug repository and I started searching. There was one bug called as bug number 12. Some bug I'm saying, some bug number 12. In this bug number 12, okay, it says same thing. Bug number 12 says same thing. Forgot password link is not working. Forgot password link is not working. That means, will you report this new bug or you will not report? This is test engineer found a new bug, but he has not reported. Remember, he has not reported. He has just found a new bug. And I started searching. When I started searching, I found that bug number 12 also it says forgot password link is not working. Will you report? Will not report? I will report. Who is that fellow? I will report. Just can you tell me once? No need to report. Correct? Why no need to report? Okay, just to tell you guys, morning 424 people there, 424 people were there. Now there are only 370 people. Since it's a second session, it's already yes or no. I have not written all the navigation steps and observation, but it is same. Okay, now listen, guys. Now listen. Carefully listen. Now, guys, navigation steps and observations are same, perfect. But along with that, they say that you should also have one eye on the status of the bug number 12. You should also have one eye on the status of the bug report. Okay, status of the which bug report here? Which bug report? Correct, bug report number 12. I'll repeat, listen carefully. Forgot password link is not working. I found a bug. I wanted to search for duplicacy. Whenever searching, I found that bug number 12 is also saying same thing. Forgot password link is not working. So almost the same. Both are same. So generally what we do, since both are same, we will not report this bug. We will not report this bug. But practically in the company, what we do, along with the navigation steps and observation, we also see the status. Now you know the different status, correct? You know the different status. Till now, what are different status we know? Generally, let's say new is one status. Okay. Next, after new, assigned is also one status. Next, after assigned, fixed is one status. And then after this fix, I can call it as reopen is one status, and finally close is one status. Okay, means the bug number 12 can be in new status, or it can be in assigned status, or it can be in fixed status. Are you fine? New or assigned or fixed or reopen or close, any status can be there. Now my question is config gimfix is different. Like these, forget about config, all those things. These status only I want. Now tell me, bug number 12 navigation steps and observation is same, and the status of the bug number 12 is new. Will you report this bug or you will not report this bug? Understand, navigation steps and observation is same. It is same only, and the status of this bug is new. Can you report bug number 13? Can you report bug number 13? People are saying yes. Any answer you want to give me the reason and talk. Any answer you're giving, give me the reason and talk. Will you report or you will not report? Saroja says not assigned. I also know. Will you report? Bug number 12 is not assigned. Karma. Bug number 12 will report. Not report. Yes, will report. No, sir, they'll fix by developer in some time. So the bug status is reopen. Oh, sir, because it is not fixed by the developer yet. Yes, because it is not assigned. Okay, so some general answer I'll tell you. Correct answer is, people are saying, yes, sir, I will report the bug number 13, or I'll report a new bug because still this is not assigned to the developer. Okay, listen carefully. Yes, sir, we will report. Because still this bug is not assigned to the developer. Are you understanding my statement, what they're saying? Still it is not assigned. So obviously I will only create one new bug report and quickly I will assign. But guys, this bug is in new status. It is not assigned. What could be the reason? Deepu, ninge artha agtide Deepu, nanu ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ Deepu. ಸಖತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಕಣೆ ಇದು, ಸಖತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಕಣೆ ಇದು, ನಿಜ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಏನಪ್ಪ ತಗಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ. Okay, listen guys. Boss, he has not assigned because still this he don't know who is a developer. Possible, not possible? Still he don't know who is a developer. So he just created one bug report and he has kept in the bug repository and he says the status is new. Now if you prepare bug number 13, if you prepare bug number 13 and report it to the developer, developer will say, "Le rascal fellow, already there is one same bug. Already there is a bug reported before you only, but still they have not assigned. Why are you reporting same bug?" They will make your bug as duplicate. Is it clear? That bug is in the new status. See, let it be in the new status or assigned status or fixed status. Bug is already there, bug is not there. One document is prepared, document is not prepared. Correct? Document is already prepared. Document is already prepared. When document is already prepared, why are you preparing one more same document? So summary, if the navigation steps and observation is same, listen, if I'll give this point, don't write anything. If navigation steps and the observation is same, okay, then keep an eye on status. If it is new, should I report or should not report? What does somebody know? Should I report or should not report the new bug? Correct, all of you are right. I am not going to report a new bug. So don't report a new bug. As I said in the beginning only, if you understood, good, not understood, leave it. Simple concept. Same question. Navigation steps and observation is same. Navigation steps and observation is same. And the status is in assigned status. Should I report? I should not report. It is in assigned status. Correct, no need. Because the same bug is already reported and sent to the developers. So can I say done? If it is in assigned status also, you don't report. You should not report. You should not report, not report, not report. So here also no confusion. Everyone is giving the correct answer. So don't report, don't report, don't report. Fix, I will come back. Okay, fix, I'll come back. Suppose this bug is in reopen status. Navigation steps and observation is same and it is in the reopen status. Should I report or I should not report? No need, because still the bug is there. Still the bug is there. Still the bug is there. Yes or no? Yes or no? Still the bug is there. Now very, very important. Listen now. Navigation steps and observation is same and the bug is in closed status. What is the meaning of bug is in closed status, guys? Bug is in closed status means already that bug was resolved. Perfect. It was fixed, it was retested and it was working fine. Yes or no? It was fixed, it was retested and also it was working fine. It was working fine. Now, when it was already working fine, how come the same bug you are finding it again? Already it was fixed, it was closed also. Then how come you are finding it once again? That is my question, Surya. That is my question. Why are you typing it? Correct, guys. Impact area. Boss, last build I tested this, it was working fine. But after the last build, again, so many code changes are done. Because of some code changes, again, that bug is happening. Possible, not possible? Because every new build you get, some code changes are done. Build 1, this bug was fixed. Build 4, again, I'm finding the same bug. Or build 5, the bug was fixed. Build 19, I'm finding the same bug. Are you understanding, guys? Okay. Now tell me, if the navigation steps and observation is same, and this bug is already closed, bug number 12 is already closed, can we report or we cannot report? We can or we cannot. Anything. See, either you reopen this bug or you create a new bug report. I don't have any problem, guys. You reopen this or you open a new bug. That is not at all a concern for me. But again, you have found a bug or not. Correct? Yes, everyone is giving correct answer. Yes, sir. We can report the bug. We can report the bug. Now, same common sense you use and tell me, suppose the bug is in fixed status. Can we report or we should not report? Please think. Don't give it. No, wait. That's the reason I said wait. Control. Think first. Bug number 12 is in fixed status. Again, I found the same bug. Should I report or not? Any answer you are giving, give me with reason. Give me with the reason. Don't give me only the answer. Give me with the reason. We can report because after fixing still bug is there. So you are saying you can report. Yes, we can report. Yes, we can report. Good. Most of you are 100% wrong. Listen. Wrong. 1-2 people are right. Boss, if you are saying, sir, this bug is fixed, no. Developer has done code changes. Still bug is there. So I will prepare bug number 13. So I'll prepare bug number 13. If you prepare bug number 13, what a developer will do, you know, he will make this bug as a duplicate bug. Once he makes this bug as a duplicate bug, you will fight with him. Hey boss, why are you making my bug duplicate? Because it is fixed. Now he will say, hey, rascal fellow, if this bug is fixed, let that test engineer retest the bug and let him reopen it. Listen carefully once again. If this bug is fixed, let that test engineer test it once again, and if it is not working, let him reopen. Why are you creating one more bug report? Are you understanding my statement, guys? Why are you preparing one more bug report? Still the old issue is not resolved means let him only retest it, let him reopen. Every fixed bug will work fine. There is no rule. Yes or no? Yes. That means, can I say, guys, even the bug is fixed also, you cannot open a new bug report. You cannot open a new bug report. Have you understood this example? As I said, I wanted to share this practical knowledge. Simple concept this is. Virat, don't speak. Is clear? Okay, good. I'll tell the summary, guys. Then you can ask me. Wait, my summary is what, you know. Whenever we are searching for a duplicate, my first preference is we should always see the navigation steps and observation. If it is same, then keep an eye on status also. So if the status is close only, still you can report a new bug. Else don't report it. That's a summary. Dana. Yes, okay. Write it as a note, guys. Just write one note. There is no diagram, nothing. Just to write one note, I'll give you. Simple statement, I'll give you. Just keep this point in mind. It's enough. They may not ask you, but practically when you're testing in the company, it will help you. That's all. Right? Whenever we are searching for duplicate bug, whenever you have given only 3 points, like who is that Kangana, how to avoid duplicate bugs, already they have written. I'm also giving right get note. Hey, what is the study part you have written? Just now I told one point. Now what is the point? Searching. Only whenever I have given. Whenever we are searching for a duplicate bug, whenever we are searching for the duplicate bug, first we have to go through, whenever we are searching for the duplicate bug, first we have to go through the navigation steps and the observation. First we have to go through the navigation steps and the observation. First we have to go through the navigation steps and the observation. If both are same, then first we have to go through the navigation steps and observation, and if both are same, then we have to also see the status of the bug. If both are same, then we have to also see the status of the bug. We have to see the status of the bug. Next line. Next line. Next line. Point. If navigation steps and observation are same, if navigation steps, observation are same, and the status is, if navigation steps and observation is same, and the status is new or assigned, if navigation steps and observation is same, and if the status is new or assigned or fixed or reopen, and if the status is new or assigned or fixed or reopen, then do not report a new bug. 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 2 points are done. Then do not report a new bug. Two points are done. Third point. If the navigation steps, observation is same, if the navigation step and the observation is same, if the navigation steps and the observation is same, and the bug is in closed status, if the navigation steps and observation is the same and the bug is in closed status, then still we can report a new bug. Because the old bug is already fixed and closed. Still we can report a new bug because the old bug is already fixed and closed. The old bug is already fixed and closed. The old bug is already fixed and closed. Already fixed and closed. Dana. Okay. This ends the love story on, guys, our duplicate bugs. Okay, this ends the love story on the duplicate bugs. But please listen. From the beginning, I'm saying you, how do you find your bug is duplicate or not? We don't speak about this. This. Keep in mind, that's all. Generally, we say what, a navigation and observation I will read. If it is same, it's duplicate. If it is not same, it is not duplicate. Are you understanding? Are you understanding? Audible, yes. Okay, now day one we have written bug life cycle one diagram. Do you remember? Still one more status is there that I'll talk. But day one we have written one diagram for bug life cycle. Correct? Okay. Now, if you see the diagram, 1 minute. Let me open a notepad. If you see this diagram, guys, if you see the diagram, first day bug life cycle diagram, what is the first status I gave you? First status is what? The new or open. After the new or open, immediately test engineer is going to change the status to assigned. Correct? Assigned is the next status. After assigned, first day, I gave you the status as what, fixed. Correct? But now observe, guys. Okay, let me complete that also. After fix, we are going to retest. Obviously, retest is an action that also we have discussed. Based on this retesting, either I am going to close it or I'm going to reopen. So whether I'm going to close the bug or let me write that also or I am going to reopen. This is the diagram which I have given on the day number 1. But actually speaking, this diagram, how it will be, 1 minute. If you ask me, let me change this. Close. And after this, I have told you some statuses like it can be fixed or it can be first invalid. It can be invalid or it can be what, can't fix also. Wait, I'll change the diagram. Don't write anything. It can be can't fix or won't fix also. Or it can also be a deferred bug. FFERED, or it can be a deferred bug also. Okay. Or it can be, we have seen something called as what we have seen, RF, let's write is a duplicate also. It can be duplicate. Or it can be not reproducible. This is not done, guys. See, not reproducible is a very, very important one, which is asked in interview, and it will take some time. At least complete 1.5 hours is required to teach that only. Only not reproducible is not done. I'll teach you. Is it clear? That not reproducible, don't worry, I'm going to teach you that. And after that, one more thing we have seen is RFE. Now listen to the diagram, guys. In interview, when they ask you, write and show me the bug life cycle diagram, you have to write like this: new or open. Second is your what? Assigned. Next is, if you observe, next is but fixed. From here, Can I draw like this now? It can be fixed or invalid, or it can be can't fix, or it can be deferred, or it can be duplicate, or it can be not reproducible. That is not done for you. I'll teach you. I neatly teach you, I said. Or it is request for enhancement. Then I'm going to retest it. Okay, correct? Then after this, I'm going to retest it. If it is working properly, then close the bug. If it is not working, if it is not working, then we are going to reopen, and after reopening, obviously it is assigned back. And if you want to write here, we can write like this: fixed properly. Fixed properly, this will happen. And suppose not fixed properly, this is going to happen. This will be the original diagram for your bug life cycle. This is the original diagram for bug life cycle. Is the diagram clear? Again, I'm saying not reproducible. One status is not done. That'll take 1.5 hours. I'll teach you tomorrow. Is the final diagram clear? See, guys, no, impact area was a note I said you. Remember, every point wherever note is there, I have told you note and I have told you the topics. But first today, I have not spoken about deferred, can't fix, invalid, everything. Why? First today, I have not spoken about all those things. Why? Correct, guys. See, because when I say fix, everyone understands the meaning of fix. But deferred, gifford, can't fix, invalid, duplicate, RFE, without giving the examples, I can't give you directly. So that's the reason. Now this, so first today, whatever I've done, that diagram is gone now. That diagram is gone. This will be the final diagram which you have to speak in the interview regarding the bug life cycle. Is this clear? The diagram is clear. Everyone make a note of it. If it is a can't fix, directly we close. If developer says can't fix, what will you do? That also I've told you. I don't want to repeat that once again. Whenever developer says invalid, what to do? Can't fix, what to do? Duplicate, what to do? RFP, what to do? Have we discussed or not, guys? For every status, I've given the reasons. Everything I've given the reason. Remember that point. Only not reproducible, one is not covered, that's all. Now write this diagram neatly. Sir, morning, I'm not able to join the class. Some issues is there. I also asked, I tried 10-15 times. Now I have another device to join second session. Now HR replied. Sumaya, sit with any of your friends and understand the concept. Morning, whatever you missed, sit with any of your friend and understand it. Sir, until previous bug is resolved, even testing in a 2 and testing in a 3 cannot do our own modules testing, right, sir? No, Surya. That depends on the bug. That purely depends on the bug. You cannot say that until one bug is fixed, we cannot continue. Wrong. That is absolutely wrong. One suggestion for everyone, guys: never get married in life. One suggestion I'm saying you, that married people will understand, unmarried people will never understand. Okay, don't ever get married in life only. Otherwise, you are able to listen to this cooker sound, right? Half an this cooker sound you are listening now, your life will be like cooker only. So you earn and enjoy your life. I have a plan to go to Himalaya. I will also come, Ole. Give me 10 more years. Give me 10 more years. Once my son and daughter, they grow up, right, I will also come. Because once they grow up, they don't want parents also. Only friends are required for them. For 10 more years, I'll enjoy with them. Then I'll also join you. Tell me your salary. My salary is 10,000 rupees per month. If she will not cook, how will you eat? Oh, perfect question. If she will not cook, how can I eat? That's correct. We'll discuss. Only boys will sit one day. I will teach you. Once physically we are open, right? I'll give you some gyan on marriage also. Don't worry. We'll talk. Use the silence for cooker. You have to make it only. Guys, I think from June 10th, they are planning to open physically. Generally, they are saying. So June 10th, it will be open. We'll wait. We'll hope for the best, I'll tell you. Because it's always better to have physical itself. If everything is fine, we will go on June 10th. Okay. Now, have you understood this diagram? Let's tell me correctly now. Have you understood? Have you understood this diagram, everyone? Yes. Okay, good. So I'll stop it now. Tomorrow, 8 o'clock sharp, I will start not reproducible status days. We'll talk about requirement, please, guys. See, you people, until and unless 2 more topics are not done, your regression testing and smoke testing, then we will talk about requirements for your batches. Then we'll talk about requirement. Even if you go now also, will not clear the interview. So please utilize this time, sit and study. It's my promise that I'll send you for interview. Many people, unbelievable people are getting placed, I'll tell you. Please don't bother about it. So give me some time. First to learn. Then I will place you. It's my guarantee. I am there, I'll tell you. Okay, tomorrow I'll teach you not reproducible. Very, very important. Every interview asks that also. Everyone, mechanical, civil, everyone I'm saying. Let's meet tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock, guys. Sir, when your children, when we are get... Sir, in coming 2 days, cyclone is there in Odisha. So difficult. I know. We'll see, guys. Don't worry. Later we'll discuss all those things. Sir, when we are child and when we are get aged, we require external support in between phase only. Salary may support ourselves. That's true, Ganesh. But my plan is once I become old, I will go to Goa and settle down. Anyone wants to join, you join me. I don't have any problem. So next 15-20 years, I'll go to Goa. I'll settle down there only. No kids, no wife, no Q-Spada students, especially, I'll tell you. If I see any Q-Spada students there, I will kill them. I'll make them to put in water itself. How much syllabus is covered? Started these fellows. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone. We'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock.